If you're monitoring average latency, or CPU usage, you're already blind during an outage.
Golden signals, the senior SRE reality.
Most people can list the 4 golden signals, but if you describe them like a textbook in an interview, you fail quietly. Senior SREs interpret these signals differently under pressure. Here is how to watch your system like an expert.
1. Latency, not average, never average.
Junior engineers watch average latency. Senior SREs ignore it. Instead, they obsess over 1. P95 and P99 tail latency, because outages begin in the slowest 1%, not the fastest 99. 2. Edge latency, measuring at the user's browser, not just inside your service. 3. Pre-retry latency, seeing the true error before the system hides it with a retry.
2. Traffic, intentional versus accidental load.
Traffic is not just the number of requests. You must separate 1. Useful traffic, actual requests from real human users. 2. Amplified traffic, retries and recursive loops that act like a self-inflicted DDoS. 3. Background noise, health checks, and cron jobs that mask real traffic drops. There's a 5th golden signal senior SREs watch, but it's never written in docs.
3. Errors rate is less important than shape.
A flat 1% error rate is usually just noise. Senior SREs look for 1. Error bursts, sudden spikes lasting only 60 to 90 seconds. 2. Correlation, did the errors start exactly during a deploy or config change? 3. Silent errors, 200 OK responses that are actually delivering bad or empty data.
4. Saturation, CPU is a liar.
CPU and memory can look healthy while your system is already dead. The true signals are 1. Queue depth, if the queue is growing, the system is failing, regardless of CPU. 2. Thread pool exhaustion, when the app cannot pick up new work. 3. Connection limits, the invisible wall that drops users before they even hit your code.
5. The unspoken golden signal, recovery speed.
Modern systems will fail. Elite teams do not just track uptime, they track the time to stop the bleed. If you mention mean time to recovery, MTTR, as a golden signal in an interview, you move from candidate to leader instantly.
How to stand out in interviews.
If you say average latency, you sound junior. If you say CPU usage, you sound junior. Talk about error shapes, queue depths, and recovery velocity to prove you have handled real production incidents. Golden signals don't prevent outages. They tell you how fast you'll notice and how badly it will hurt.
Master the SRE mindset.
Check the description or comments for the complete SRE interview bundle. Subscribe to stop being a developer and start being an architect.